welcome back to my channel. I am so happy it is October. Finally it is October. As you can see, I have started decorating my office. We went for a pumpkin and a gonk theme in here this year. I'm loving it. Anyway, the big question. Why do I look like a clown? Well, that is because today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a really simple clown outfit. It's inexpensive, it's easy, so if you're just handing out sweets to trick-or-treaters, this is perfect for you. As I always say, I'm no makeup artist, I just like playing with it. So stay tuned and you'll see how I did it. We're going to quickly do my brows, and this is the Revolution Laminate Brow. I'm literally just making it more defined and then gelling them into place. Really simple with that one. Now we're going to use the NYX pencil liner in pure white to roughly draw the shape of the triangles that we're going for, matching them up on both sides because we want them to be semi-neat. Now we're going in with the Cult Candy PlayHouse palette in the light pink shade, and we're going to put that in, again, triangular like diamond shapes, but either side of those white ones we've just put in, so going in the opposite direction. Then we're going in with the darker pink shade Dolly, just to put that over the top and really make that pink part pop. And then just blending it as I go as well. Now we're going in with the Lime Crime Immortals palette. We're using the white shade, which is called Marble. And I'm literally taking this diagonal brush and I'm just going, where we put that eyeliner, I'm just going to go over the top of it to really get that shape I want. Make sure it's perfect. Well, not perfect, but you know what I mean. We're going in. And we're going to use a more compact brush, same shade, and we're just going to pat it on into the middle of that shape so it fills out all that white part. Reason I'm using a compact brush is because I really want it to be bold and strike out. So next up we're going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal liquid eyeliner. This is the pyro one, it's just a white one. I use this quite a lot, so mine is actually really running out, which is why I keep dipping in, not dapping, jeez. I'm just going to put that round the edges just to make it stand out. And this is the single shadow from, again, Urban Decay. This is shade Cosmic, and we're just going to layer that over the top because it's a sparklier white. This is all about layering and trusting the process. Back into that dark shade Dolly then, just to put that in the very corners of my eyes, both sides, to give it some definition. And then we're going in the light shade just around the edges of the white. So now the Barry M pencil liner in the Hi Vis shade Riot, we're using that to put on the dots. Now we're going in with a E.L.F. This is supposed to be a liquid shadow, but oh, mine is so dried out I need to go and buy a new one. And I'm just putting this just underneath my lash line and just above my lash line. Alright, let's make my eyes not look so dead. We're going in with the KVD cake pencil on the top and bottom waterline, so I look a little bit possessed at this point. And my eyes were really starting to water as well. So this is the liquid liner by KVD, the tattoo liner. I'm not putting any shape in, I'm just following the shape of my eyes. Right, lashes. This is the KVD Lash Primer. Again, top and bottom, and then the Go Big or Go Home mascara in black, top and bottom. Okay, now the fun really starts to begin. The Unicorn Cosmetics False Lashes in Blaise, and this is where it really starts to come together, and this you see the trust the process start to happen. So now we're going to use this Revolution Heartbreakers highlighter, which has got like pink and white in it, to highlight those dots on our face. My favourite part, we are moving on to lips. These are the KVD liquid lip liners in shade Backstage Bambi, which is the pink, and Witches, which is that black shade. So using the pink, we're just going to pop that on and slightly draw it out over the edges using a lip brush. So I'm going to use a thinner lip brush with the black because we're just going into the corners of our mouths and bringing it up into a creepy little smile. And then we're going to use the E.L.F lip lacquer. This is in shade Bubbles, and we're just putting that in the centre of our lips. Back into the Cult Candy palette in the light pink shade and just putting that over the top of the gloss that we just put on. Final touches, I'm just using a cotton bud to straighten out the lines on the pink, some setting spray to hold it all in place, back in with that Heartbreakers highlighter, and we're going to put a teeny tiny bit on the tip of our nose, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click that thumbs up button, otherwise I'm going to have to get it to come for you. I'm kidding, I wouldn't. I'm actually terrified of clowns. So I want to get this off my face as quickly as possible because I'm scaring myself. That is basically what's happening. I'm terrifying myself. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Have an amazing spooky month.